Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a table in your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a table in your LibreOffice writer, which is going to show in this video. So you have a two options to insert the table. So first you just can go to the insert option, and here you have option to insert the table. Otherwise you can just see an option here itself. So just click on this drop menu. So here you can just select. If you just want a 3x3 table, you can just choose 3x3, 4x4. You can you have an option up to 10x15. You have more option to, you can just easily choose the columns, how many columns you just needed and how many rows you just needed. You can just select it, and also the table style you can just fix it here and click insert. So your table has been inserted. This is how you just insert a table in your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.